everyone, big warm fabulous welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today's video I'm going to be talking all about how to be classy and comfortable. So I have ordered a load of items from ASOS that are like, some are loungewear, some are just really comfortable, things that you could possibly be comfy in work for if you have any like video calls, but also something that's just really slouchy, but also how to make that classy as well, because I like to be classy, elegant, sophisticated all on this channel, and it doesn't necessarily mean spending a fortune. So I've done an ASOS haul for you guys. So I'm going to dive in with the first one, which happens to be my favorite. So I picked up a loungewear set, and it's this little black knit top with a pair of black flared trousers. I thought this would be gorgeous with a pair of gold earrings, super comfortable because it's stretchy, it's wool. I mean, because it's black as well, like the dirt won't show up in it. Pop a pair of fluffy slingback slippers on with it, and you've got a really great outfit that looks really elegant, classy, but you're super comfortable. I think wearing an outfit like, sorry, they've taken scaffolding down next door. It's really ruining my YouTube plans. It's not the type of wool that wears easily either. It's like a really durable wool, and I thought wearing something like this with a pair of gold earrings would be the most amazing, beautiful, elegant casual wear. So this next one I thought would work really good for right now, but also when you want to go back to work as well, and I do want to think about that for things that I'm purchasing right now. So this is a pink wraparound dress. It also has like this little tie, but I thought this would look really cute for those Skype calls and with a pair of slippers on underneath your desk. No one would know, but then pop it on with a pair of white like court heels, a white bag, and you've got a gorgeous going back to work outfit in the summer if you can wear stuff like this. I think this is gorgeous color, gorgeous shape as well, with the covered sleeves and the neckline. I cannot wait to wear this. I love this color for spring summer as well. The material is kind of like crepe, so you know it's not going to be see-through or anything like that. It's a really gorgeous material. So next I have this wool dress. It's like a very loose knitted wool, so it's very like airy for the summer. Because it's wool, like I just thought that was a gorgeous material. There's the drawstring around the waist so you can pinch it in, adjustable straps so you can have it wherever you want, and I thought that would be great. You could wear this multiple ways as well. You could pop it on with flip-flops, you could pop it on with slippers, you could pop it on with trainers, you could even pop it on over a bikini when you go on holiday. And it came in white as well, and I really just loved it. I think after lockdown has finished, I'll be wearing it with espadrilles and a good old straw hat for my marching around London in the summer, hopefully, if we get out. So this next one is a floral skirt, and if you see the top of it, it's got like a drawstring and like an elastic waist. It's kind of got that sporty edge to it. It's quite long, probably calf length, and I thought this with like a loose white like vest top or like a black body, or even if it like maybe paired with a cardigan, maybe with a knit on, like wearing a skirt like this is so flattering because it kind of pinches you in at the waist and covers everything underneath. It's really comfortable and airy, so as it gets warmer it's definitely something that is comfortable to wear around the house. And the best bit is it has a matching top. So this is the matching cord set, and I just love those two together. I thought that was gorgeous, and because it's so floaty, it hides a lot of sins. So if you're eating lots of cookies during lockdown, it can hide a million sins. It's also really comfortable, and if you live in warmer temperatures like I know many of you lucky people do, it's really airy. And I just, the color, the vibe, picture this with a red lip as well, big gold earrings when you want to snazz it up maybe for later on in the year. I just thought this was gorgeous. So next up I have a pair of sage green loose trousers. They have a drawstring around the waist, so they kind of have like the paper bag effect around the waist, and then they're a little bit tapered at the bottom. This type of trouser paired with a black body or a white body, or like any top really, I just think they're so practical for like being smart around the house, and it's a great alternative to like a sweatpant. I think there are a lot of people that look really cool and edgy in the like this sweatpant trend that's going around. I, however, cannot pull off a sweatpant to save my life, so I think this is a really classy alternative if you're very much like me, and it has the same kind of appeal to it, like it's loose fitting, but it's a lot classier version. Next up I have a body, and when I'm browsing on sites, if I see a body that looks like it will fit me really well, I order it and see if it works, like fits me, because I think bodies are so good. Like, I live in them for jeans, I just, because they don't ride up, I find that they're a really core base. So I'm finding that bodies I wear over and over again. So I saw this and I loved it because it's adjustable, so you can fit it to your body, but also the back was gorgeous. It's like crisscross at the back, and then it was a thong, and I have to have thong bodies because I can't have a VPL. Nobody wants a VPL. So this is the co-ord wool set in, it's kind of like I don't know what, is it like a light taupe? I don't know what you'd call this colour. Cream, beige, light beige. It's like a very natural colour, and I got it to go with the bottoms, but the ASOS emailed me a few days later saying unfortunately that it's sold out. But I think I ordered it in the tall, so maybe the other side, like the regular or the petites are also available. But I think equally this is gorgeous with a pair of white jeans, so I might try it on still and see, or I don't know, yeah, I'll try it, or like a pair of maybe mum jeans tucked in. I think that would be really lovely. So this next one wasn't really the theme of the haul, but I saw it and I was like, ooh, that can be part of my comeback wardrobe, because you've probably seen it on my Instagram. I did the makeup IGTV with it, with the matching red lip, and I just felt so bougie in it. I loved it, and I think with a pair of shorts in the summer, it's the perfect like comeback outfit. Like, it's just a gorgeous silhouette. It's got these like Bardot sleeves, and I cannot wait to be on a rooftop somewhere with a white pair of jeans on, me red top, me red lips, with a glass of like a cocktail in my hand, eating chips with Georgia, because this is my comeback outfit. But equally, if you have like date night with your partners when you're in quarantine, this can be something that can be worn with like a pair of mum jeans, and just to like look a little bit fancy with a red lip, like just a little bit of effort, but still really comfy as well. So this last one came in pink too, which was super cute, but I opted for the white one because I like to keep things neutral, you know me. It's a gorgeous top for those days when maybe you're feeling a little bit bloated or a little bit like out of shape, because if any of you are like me, I haven't worked out in a long time, so clothes like this just make me feel super comfortable still. It has this like white strip for around the bust area, and then it's just this cute little baby doll effect. So things like this I find I reach for over and over again in my wardrobe, because they're just really pretty and dainty, but you can slouch around in them too. Like, you don't have to worry about lumps and bumps, and they're just really easy to chill in. But also, I think elegant pair of denim jeans, wicker, love a wicker hat. I keep going on about it, but in the summer it would be gorgeous. So guys, that is everything. I hope you got some insight on how I try and stay classy and comfortable at the same time. That sweatpant life just ain't for me. Comment down below if you can't do it either. I just can't pull them off. I'm not that cool. It just makes me feel so much better when I feel a little bit more refined. I get so much more done if I'm in my flat by myself, but still feeling presentable and classy. And I live on a main road, so the doorman is like, I need to look good for all the passers-by because there's a lot of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know your favorite in the comments below, and also if you get anything, do tag me over on Instagram stories or something. I love seeing what you guys get. And also, I had to mention this, I have so many DMs of people telling me that their mums now watch me, and I love this because I feel like if you get a mum's approval, it means you're doing a classy job. I know my mum didn't approve of me when I was wearing platforms and mini skirts, so I feel like I've got the mum seal of approval. So welcome mums to the family. I think the stuff that I wear on my channel is very like conservative. I like to dress covered up and classy, but still feel very feminine at the same time. I think when I was younger, I used to like steer away from very like maybe covered up clothes, conservative clothing, because I wanted to be sexy and young, and actually I've learnt that sex appeal is nothing to do with the amount of skin that you show. I was talking to a very affluent man one time, very powerful affluent man, and he said to me once, I never usually listen to things like this, but it really stuck with me. He was like, there's nothing more powerful than a woman who's covered up knowing that she's still absolutely gorgeous and being the most stunning woman in the room. And I thought, that is the power that I want to have. I don't want to rely on my naked skin to like grasp attention. I was like, I want to do it with like being conservative and like just oozing it without it, if that makes sense. So that's how my like my fashion sense has developed over time, and I think I've got the mum seal of approval from it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know of any videos you'd like to see, because usually I can know these things and I'm not struggling during this time, but I'm like, I'd really appreciate your feedback. If you want to see any particular video, like maybe more vlogs or more fashion, more beauty, do let me know, because I have no idea what you guys are wanting at the moment. So do let me know in the comments below, and as always, my Instagram is @TheLauraBlair. Come say hey over on there, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye.